I have managed to lose my center punch for like the last 3 weeks. I have no idea where I put it. It was just a cheapo that I've had for a long time. So I'm gonna make one. So I have a piece of 5/8 bar. I think it's 5/8, might be 3/4 by a little over 3 inches. I'm gonna start with this and see where it goes and get a center punch made. Now I want to do this to the other side and get a mass here in the center. Now I want one half of this round and the other half square. So this will be my round side. Here's what I have so far. So I have a rounded taper on one end, I have a square taper on the other, and then I have a mass in the center that I isolated with a guillotine tool. Now I need to normalize this, and then I want to grind this one. I want this to be pretty shiny whenever I'm done, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Whenever I work on the other one, grinding it, I also have this one to work on. This one I actually forged quite a while ago. This is made out of that old cutting edge that I use for the dies. It's already got my mark in it. This was all forged out, and then I ground most of it. Now see, the facets aren't really lining up perfect, so I need to fix that on a grinder. Then I need to heat treat this and temper it also. But since this is made out of that cutting edge material, I know that it cannot be quenched in water, but the coil spring for the other one can. So I'm going to have to do this one in oil and one in water. I've both finished. This is the one I made for a friend of mine. It's got the touch mark in it. And I left it its natural colors from being tempered. So that's what he wanted. He wanted it to have that multicolored look. One I made for myself was tempered the same time. And I went ahead and Scotch-Brighted all this just to give it a little bit more shine. I usually don't do that with my tools, but I thought for a center punch, I think it'll look good. So well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week.